I'm going to give you the 10 best exercise motivation tips. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 1, focus on simply getting yourself to your workout. Often the hardest part about figuring out how to stick to a workout routine is simply getting to a facility or space to actually exercise, and not the exercise itself. Just showing up is more than half the battle, so instead of worrying about the actual workout, how hard it may be, or how tired you think you're going to get, concern yourself with the sole task of getting there. Once you're there, you'll feel much better you made the effort to get there. Number 2, be in it for the long haul. It's easy to expect immediate results. In reality, depending on your current fitness level, perfecting the push-up may take weeks or even months of hard, consistent work. This disconnect between expectation and reality can be seriously demotivating. A better approach is to acknowledge that lasting changes don't come overnight, and that by being patient throughout the process, you'll see results in the long run. Number 3, don't think it's all or nothing. The problem with this black and white thinking is that having impossibly rigid standards doesn't allow for any adaptation when life gets in the way, and it's going to. So while it's good to have some structure to your workout plan, when things don't go exactly according to plan, instead of believing that you've blown it for the day, do as much as you can anyway, even if it's only 5 or 10 minutes. Number 4, visualize your success. Many of us begin new workout routines with the intention of reaching specific goals, which is great, as goals can be great exercise motivation. When you're setting goals, make sure you understand exactly what it will look like when you reach your goal, whether it's consistently waking up early to go to the gym several times a week, doing a push-up with perfect form, reducing your mile time by a minute, or however else you may define success. Number 5, accept that you won't always want to work out, and that's normal. Even the most motivated of exercisers will have those days when they really don't want to hit the gym. On those days, avoid judging yourself or reading too much into it. This aversion is completely normal. Understanding that up front will help you embrace those difficult feelings and move past them. Are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program, link in the description. Number 6, avoid making judgments about your day first thing in the morning. Say you wake up feeling stiff and lethargic. Do you remember you signed up for a high-intensity interval training class that night, and immediately you begin to dread it? Instead of canceling it from your phone while still snuggled in bed, tell yourself you'll focus on simply getting through the day and then reassess your workout plans when the time gets closer. Number 7, start with something easy. Another trick that helps us on days that we're struggling with motivation is to lessen the intimidation factor by telling yourself that you're going to start easy. Do a longer warm-up, then slowly build up from there. If you want to run on the treadmill for 20 minutes, for example, tell yourself you'll just do 1 minute to start, and then after completing that goal, reassess how you're feeling, then try it for another minute. Continue this pattern to build up confidence and ease yourself into a workout. Number 8, break your workout into small pieces. Instead of focusing on the total time of your workout or the intimidatingly high number of reps you're going to accomplish, 30 push-ups, yikes! Redirect your attention into getting through the next 30 seconds. You can get strong 30 seconds at a time, and this division will reduce your workout into more mentally manageable chunks so that you can stay present, focused, and motivated. Number 9, embrace the small wins. Maybe your goal is to hold a plank for 2 minutes, and 2 weeks into your new workout routine, you've improved your ability by 20 to 30 seconds. Even though you haven't achieved your goal, take pride in reaching this mini milestone along the way. Acknowledging the passing of these goalposts can provide the important confidence boost you need to keep pushing toward the bigger goal. That's something worth celebrating over and over again. Number 10, create a reward system for yourself. On days when your motivation wanes, incentivize yourself with a mini reward system. Think of small ways to reward yourself. Get a 10-minute neck massage or watch an episode of your favorite Netflix show and cash in on those rewards if and only if you stick to your routine that day. These small incentives can be the boost you need to get your butt out the door even when your bed feels extra cozy. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video to find out how to reward yourself after a workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.